I think investing in the south or west side of Chicago is a great opportunity for anyone who's looking to make some money when it comes to real estate. But not only that, just a nice place to live.
Okay.
I think there's a whole narrative for a particular generation that says that you can't afford to buy. There's nothing out there for you, but I think that's not true.
Okay.
You can afford it. You just probably can't afford what you want. I mean, everyone wants to live in a penthouse downtown Chicago, but we all can't afford it.
Okay, so this is the deal. I got $500.
Okay.
Am I going to be able to get a house?
$500?
Yes.
I think you have other issues to worry about. I think that should be the last thing.
I'm
But
serious. You know, a poor man trying to get a house. I need a place to stay.
anything's possible.
I heard there's some affordable first-time home buyer deals.
There are. We actually have good contacts with a lot of programs that help first-time home buyers.
Okay.
So I think Leroy can go more detail about that.
Okay.
So, yeah, there's still programs out there that are available for all the first-time buyers. Whether it's the IDA program, you know, that's been constant. There's the guarantee rate program, which offers $8,000 in certain zip codes. Bank of America has a program along with the IDA Plus their program. So there's different programs from different non-for-profit organizations that actually has programs, and some people will utilize those enough.
Okay.
The banks has their own programs. You have the DPP program that offer you $6,500